In this problem, we're asked to determine the pOH of a 0.00400 molar aqueous solution of hydrobromic acid. Now, there are two things that we need to remember for this problem. The first is that hydrobromic acid is a strong acid in which we assume 100% dissociation. Now, this makes our lives easier because we don't have to determine an acid dissociation constant, or a Ka, the way that we would for a weak acid like acetic acid. The second part of this problem, which makes it a little bit more difficult, is we're asked to determine the pOH, not the pH directly from the hydrobromic acid solution. So with that being said, we have to first determine the pH of the hydrobromic acid solution, and then use that to determine the pOH according to the formula pH plus pOH equals 14 for water. Now, what we see is the concentration is 4.00 times 10 to the negative 3 molar. So to get the pH, we can use the formula pH is equal to negative log of the hydrogen ion concentration. And for this problem, that number is taking the negative log of 0.00400 is 2.4. Now, using that in this equation here, we see that pH, which is 2.4, plus pOH is equal to 14. So pOH is equal to 14 minus 2.4, or in other words, it's equal to 11.6. So our pOH is 11.6, which is our final answer.